how to add a free VPN on your Windows 10 computer. A VPN not only helps you protect your online privacy but also allows you to access region-restricted websites. So let's dive right in and set up a secure connection in just a few minutes. So what you need to do is click on Windows and open your settings. Now after opening your settings application, go on Network and Internet. From here in this window you can see VPN. Click on it. And by default you will see that this advanced options will allow VPN over metered networks is on, and as well as allow VPN while roaming is also on. So by default these are on my Windows operating system, and you might also want to open these on yours. And now in order to add a new VPN, you can click on this option which says add VPN. So I'm just going to click on this. And then here we have the choice to provide the VPN provider. So by default here is Windows built-in. So I'm just going to choose the Windows built-in option. I don't have any other option in my VPN provider. And now the name of the connection. So the name of the connection I'm going to give here is, let's say, VPN Book, because that will be the website from where I'm going to get the address from of my free VPN. Here now I have to give a server name or address. So just open your favorite browser and search for VPN Book. Now click on the first option you can see. And now you can go to the free VPN accounts. So I'm just going to click on free VPN tab. Now here you can see two options for free VPN. One is free PPTP VPN and the other one is free OpenVPN. So PPTP is point-to-point tunneling, and that's what we are going to use here. So when you scroll down, here you will see various options. So choose whichever might be closer to your location. So here I'm going to choose US VPN. Simply copy it. When you scroll down, you can see also username and password, which you will be needing later on. So don't close the tab yet. Now go to your settings and paste the IP address over there. Now scroll down, you can see type of VPN. I'm going to choose PPTP because that's what I used earlier. Here you can see type of sign in. Info, I'm going to choose user and password because earlier we saw user and password. Here you can see we have the username and password on that audio website, so we have to choose here user and password. So the other two options are optional, so I'm just going to leave them as blank and save it. And now I can see that this VPN book. So in the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate this VPN book. I'll simply click on connect, which is going to ask me for my password and username. So I'm going to go to the website once again and copy the username and password. So now here I'm going to type in the password and then click on OK. And that's it. You've successfully added a free VPN to your Windows 10 computer. Thanks for watching our channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.